first dance, our eyes are closed, windows want to wait. Since those days the world has changed, but our love remains the same. God knows we've had a share of saving grace, and I'm proud of all the blessings you have given me. The mountains we have climbed to get this far. Learn to take the long term with the tears after all. After the fires that we worked through, against the odds we never lost our faith, and our hearts we made our home, where our children all have grown. Precious moments I've been on your way, for the living I've been down to get seasons that we've had to share apart. Somehow in my heart I always keep you near. After this year, after all these years, it's still nothing that doesn't matter that I was on. After all these years, you sacrificed to leave me, and you stood strong. But we don't know there's nothing left to fear.